come into the limelight once more, like last time where there was another scandal happening.
Zardari.
What's Zardari? You're talking about Veena Malik. You don't even know what the show is all about.
Sorry, there's too much happening.
Can't you see this starlet sitting next to me?
Oh my God! Please intro.
Yes.
Am
So
I
Veena
starting?
Malik has brought us into the limelight once more. Pakistan is again all over the social media and on TV, and everybody's talking about how Veena Malik has brought fame and glory to the country once more, and that is something that we're going to be talking about. We have a not so pretty Veena Malik with us here today, one with a beard, who's going to be sharing her opinions, or rather his opinions, what should I go with?
8 opinions.
Yeah.
Keep your hands to yourself, Bilal.
I think I would gladly do that. I would gladly do that. So anyways, we're going to be talking about the entire episode. You want to call it an episode, you want to call it a fiasco, you want to call it a, however you want to look at it. And we're going to be looking at the various aspects of what has transpired.
Transparent. Transparent. I am nude under this. You know that?
Yes, I can see the jacket.
You can see.
Yes.
That's my army jacket, the ISI thing. You know that?
The ISI thing, yes, that makes perfect
Yeah, but there was
sense.
this whole controversy, and
Yeah.
after that, Veena came up on the international channel,
Yeah.
and she said that she wasn't nude.
Yeah.
She had her upper body covered with her hands. The entire part. The
Whose
shoulder-
hands?
Veena, your
Okay,
hands.
alright, Venus hands. Right.
And she was wearing a bikini thong,
Yeah.
and she wasn't nude. And her
Which
body
is-
was
which is-
supposed to be covered with the ISI tattoos.
Which is quite interesting because she started off with a complete different statement saying that no, this is completely morphed
Right.
and all of that, and I
Right.
haven't done anything wrong, and
It's all photoshopped and
it's
it's
all
not me.
photoshopped and it's not me and my upbringing and all of that and all whatnot is will
Then
never
came
allow
the
me to
other
do
story.
something like that. Then her manager came forth and saying fine, if once you're in the international front in this international limelight, then you have to do some,
Right.
you have to be bold, but there are certain lines that she's not willing to cross, and this is one of them. And then things completely changed all over again, and now she's saying what she's saying, that I wasn't nude, but I was topless, which I don't know how that is any better.
And what
or
was
any
the
safer.
whole
And then,
ISI
no.
controversy? Why
See,
the ISI
that
tattoo?
they're saying is a joke.
Right.
That they're saying is a joke. Their explanation is that in India right now, like a few years ago, they used to say that everything is done by the CIA.
Right.
Then they say that everything is being done by the ISI.
ISI.
I'm like, the smallest, the littlest thing that takes place is CAG, ISI is behind this.
Right.
So now this was the joke that that she's doing a nude photo shoot, and
Right.
the ISI is behind this as well.
Agreed.
So that was the thing, but.
So what does our Veena Malik have to say about it?
What is
Veena Malik.
Yeah.
Yeah, Veena Malik to nahi, but have you read this?
What?
Look at this, Veena Malik ki, there's a picture of hers, and it says controversy Queen Veena Malik.
Yeah.
और ऊपर लिखा है mail order. Be the dandy. What does that mean? Viewpoint bhari for Zardari. It's the same ad. Look at that. Beauty and you. The wave of nostalgia.
But the beauty of Veena Malik is that.
Cockery.
Okay, Adnan.
So
All right.
anyways,
Let's
Contemporary.
keep hold on that.
No, but it's
So
all.
tell me, what do you think about
That ad
thing?
is people are going to sue us for
Yeah,
that.
come on, yeah. I mean, which angle do you want? You want my view or the general view or the Pakistani
view,
view or the
Adnan.
There are
Muslim view?
different views. Everybody's. I've got my own view, and I've got Pakistan's view as well. I'm sure she does as well. She does as well. What are your?
Yeah, I think she's looking great.
Yeah.
She's looking fantastic.
But I don't think.
And I think all this cry, हमारी पाकिस्तानी औरतों का ये कर दिया वो, they are just jealous because they're fat mostly, Pakistani women, and they're not that fit.
Yeah.
So I think it's just a sort of a jealous thing for them
Okay.
to see some girl looking so good.
But
And-
can I comment here? I honestly think it's not her body.
It is a body.
It's not her body.
Listen, it's a body.
It's not her body.
And what is it?
You see, that's the problem. They're jealous.
It's not her
do you know?
body because.
Are you pulling a Rahman Malik on us?
We've got to find that video and put it up. Seriously. ये body change कर देते हैं.
मुझे पता है.
मेरे साथ हुआ है.
But
Imagine
no,
what
yaar.
body would they put on Rahman
She's
Malik.
not
यार.
that fit.
Oh, she's
not that fit.
she is.
And even if it's her body, then I don't know what she was thinking. Yeah, I think she's just going after all the attention. That
She also said no. She also said that people. She came on one of the Pakistani news channels and she said, "Okay, you should know the difference between being nude and being liberal." So she said, "Okay, what she's done is nothing wrong." And
but I think that female really needs to first clarify her definition of what nude and what liberal is.
She says she didn't do anything
Because
wrong.
her definition of nude is something I really don't understand.
Is actually nude.
Yeah.
Those pictures are actually nude pictures.
They're not nude
Please
pictures.
understand
They're
that
not
nude.
nude pictures. They're not. How can you call them nude? She's actually is covering herself, yeah, with her hands. She is.
Essentials. Yeah. See, the thing is that I do not. I'm like, it's just a personal thing. She wanted to do something. She went out. She did it. Maybe she did not. Maybe they are morphed for all I know. But maybe she actually went ahead and did everything that they say that she did.
Yeah.
And all those pictures are absolutely accurate. I don't know. But the thing is that even if they are the way they are, what is wrong with that? I mean, fine, I can, we've got our Pakistani conservative society and all of that, and Islam says that, you're not supposed to do all of this, and, but you know what, everybody's got their own thing, and I, for one, believe in a very liberal, live and let live kind of
ये
a...
कबड्डी देखी कभी कबड्डी देखी आपने रेसलिंग देखी यहाँ देसी उन्हें भी थॉन्ग्स पहने होते हैं बंदों ने
I actually agree with Bilal's
Why
point
can't
of
we
view
live-
because if you look at the fashion industry right now, if you look at most of these fashion shows right now, I mean, they are wearing clothes,
आप
they are
किसी दिन
half...
आप
Don't you get
रात को किसी दिन
excited?
आप गलती से जो है ना फाइल
No.
चैनल आप फिल्मेजिया पे चले जाए
हाँ.
यार मैं तो टीवी मेरा टूटा हुआ महीना हो गया 2 साल हो गए यार
आप चले जाएं किसी तरीके से आपको अंदाजा नहीं होगा कि मतलब ये हुई क्या है मेरे साथ आप you'll be like
नहीं, हम
robbed
इनके
of
cover-
your innocence what little innocence you might have left
I have a lot of
By the way,
innocence
I agree with
All
that.
रात के 12 बजे के
and
बाद
robbed of it robbed and plundered so I mean
No,
like
but we're talking about her cover page. अगर हम अपने fashion show को देखते हैं, what are we doing? I mean, look at the fashion.
यार
shows
आप लोगों को मैं एक बात
at the
बताऊं
moment.
यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान में एक चीज हुई थी which was not we didn't come out but it was lingerie के ऊपर जो फैशन शो हुआ था
Yeah.
PC पे
पीसी में हुआ था
yeah
we had one.
Yeah, you had all these models walking in G-strings and in Wonder Bras and
Yeah.
all that stuff in a restaurant at a PC with the crowd there. So what are you guys? Don't be hypocrite, yaar.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
Please, yaar. I mean, I think that is more obscene.
You
Not
know, we
obscene.
can
That's more
only-
hot.
frankly
We can
I-
only
I can't-
object on that
Obscene is
until
hot, by
that
the
is
way.
not being done in your own country. But अगर आपके country में
और
होकर
सर जी
your own
मैं
industry
आपको
is
बात
doing
बताता हूँ
it.
एक वीना मलिक ने एक बात की तो बड़ी फिट बात की है ISI जो है was the most hated thing in India, right? She made it look cool, man. She got ISI. Come on, you gotta give it to ISI is on a cool woman's body and it's looking good.
not a
there is
cool woman.
hypocrisy कि like, हम लोगों को जो है we don't want
And
कि,
those pants.
this should
She's
happen.
psycho.
We
Sorry.
don't want कि जो है वो इस तरीके की चीजें हो हमारे मुल्क के अंदर बट हम लोगों को देखना भी होता है I'm like
ओ यार हमारे मुल्क में हो रहा है सब कुछ.
सबसे ज्यादा porn
It's all
पाकिस्तान में देखा
happening.
जाता
You
है.
know that,
That's true
यार.
that.
I mean, you go to a party.
भाई
I
yesterday
was
You
about
find-
to go there. Like
Uh-huh.
you go to all these private parties that are being held in
Yeah.
your town and anywhere else.
You
see
got
all the
women
females
drinking and getting off their
smoking
heads.
and dressed up half revealing
No, and
clothes.
everybody watches it. The thing is,
Yeah.
I'm like yesterday I went to my my DVD wala. I wanted to pick up a couple of movies, and I went there and saw the movies display. And I said, "Yeah, Masters, बताओ कौन सा है?" And he does all that. And he says, "Sir, ये Victoria's Secret का नया जो है वो fashion show है ये जरा बहुत good है, बहुत बिक रहा है। ये ले जाए."
ले
I'll pass it on to you.
दे देना लगाते हैं ना इनको लोगों में watch Victoria's Secret.
So and he says कि ये सबसे ज़्यादा ये बिकता है, ये लेके जाए। आजकल बहुत डिमांड आ रही है इसकी। So I mean like
It sells.
It sells exactly. So what are we on about?
We're again the same.
It's our women who shouldn't do
The
this.
same
हम देख लें
trend,
बस.
yeah, the same trend that you pinpoint on others and you
Yeah.
don't look at it yourself.
अच्छा
So
नहीं
you're involved.
एक तो ये पॉइंट है व्हाट यू गाइस से अबाउट कि जब वीना कह रही है कि उसने अपने लिए किया वो पाकिस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर रही है व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट
बिल्कुल सही कहा
सही
है,
है।
बिल्कुल सही कहा है।
Okay.
I 110% support her.
दैट बट इजंट शी अ पाकिस्तानी
So
So what?
is that?
यार?
आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस
no, but if she's a Pakistani, that is not me. I mean, like if the pie chart is 100%, then 100% should not be KG. You're Pakistani, and this is it. You're a person first.
Okay.
I mean, like that's my opinion. You're a person first. You have your, you know, it's just part of your identity.
Fine,
Or
you're
usme should not
Pakistani, then why don't you go and object on the fashion industry at the moment?
No, I don't. Yeah, don't. But
नहीं, अगर like उस वीना के अगर एक आप picture पे इतना बना रहे हैं, then that stuff is happening in your own country.
It's there.
आज हाँ फिर पहली बात है कि आप सारी इंटरनेट की जो हमारी तरफ से पोर्न साइट्स खुली वो भी बंद करें फिर, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा गलत तो हमारे यहाँ देखी जाती है। मैं दूसरे लोगों की दुकान
ये सुना है कि पाकिस्तान is one of the highest watchers of this.
That's what I just
And that's what Veena Malik says. If you hate it, why are you watching it?
No, why don't you have them closed?
Why?
Banned.
Yeah, again, you can't close all this stuff. You know
No,
that.
I'm just
That's what sells
saying.
for them.
The thing is, why should you? Why can't, I mean, like, why can't
आप
it be a
देखो ही
personal
नहीं।
choice?
हाँ, personal choice देखो, आपको बुरा लगा आप ना देखो यार।
मतलब
It's the
अगर
same. It's the same as उस दिन बात हो रही थी. We went to this seminar जिसमें media and old new media and old politics का seminar था, and they said कि वो PTI का representative बैठे हुए थे, and he's saying कि वो somebody complained कि आप कितने गंदे remarks दे रहे होते हैं, अपने लोगों को shun out क्यों नहीं करते? मैं कहा, why shun them out? I mean, you put your self profile out there. It's for people to comment, not your. आपको अगर आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि आपके लोग नहीं गए, आप अपना प्रोफाइल हटा दें वहाँ से. Get rid of it.
Yeah.
So it's same as Veena. I mean, if you can't handle it, it's too hard for you to handle, then move aside.
Exactly. Just let her be, and any of these, this thing I think applies in absolutely everything. Up, you know, you make your personal choices. This is something I want to do. This is something I don't want to do.
You know, I honestly think this whole Veena episode is not that big of a deal. It was her own personal choice, but I think how she's dealing and how she's making it look like it's a big thing that she's
यार
done.
मैं बताता हूँ बड़ा simple इसका
And all the
reason है, by the
attention
way.
she wants,
She's getting
I think
it. It's working for her.
that's where she's wrong.
She's done a perfect marketing strategy. She's releasing that show of hers.
Yeah.
वो
Veena ka Vyah.
Veena ka Nikah or something.
Yeah.
This whole thing is a campaign to promote that, by the way. The publisher, the owner of that magazine, and Veena had already decided on all of this. It's already been stated.
I will tell you something. Her being in India, she is so inspired by Rakhi Sawant, who is the Veena Malik of India. Right? So she's just taken those following her own steps, Rakhi's own steps, and she's gotten the attention. She's gotten what she wanted, and she's all over the media right now. And she has this controversy going against her. She is getting all the attention.
Let's show these guys also clips of our Pakistani actresses who have appeared in Indian films, and man, they've been wearing some really weird stuff as well.
Yeah.
So we'll take a look at that.
Okay, one more thing that I want to talk about is that, you know, fine, all of that might be true what you're saying, that this is a marketing ploy and all of that. But coming down to, let's exclude her for a second, but this issue, why are we so fixated on it?
Yeah, it's a, okay, let's get back. Raju.
Okay, you know, why are we so...
We're recording, huh? Start.
So, you know, why are we so
fixated on the idea?
Fixated on the idea of you know, that...
yeah, देखो, Pakistanis and as everybody, I mean, you know that anything which is bad sort of sells, first of all. Yeah. I mean, anything which is, what you call it, like Asif or wo cricketers ka jo hamare saath hua tha. Any controversy will get you traction.
That's why controversy.
हम लोग कुछ करने का होता नहीं है, ठीक है, हम लोग मीडिया, इंटरनेट उतने हम लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं कि हमें हर चीज हमारे सामने हो रही होती है. All the stories are developing in front of us, and we feel that we are part of it somehow. I mean, that's how you feel. You know, everybody wants to say something about it to a point, and that is the only reason why we fixated on all of this. कि यार वो controversy, oh my God, let's look into this. It's our person.
You know, also the thing is कि you know. like for example, a few years ago, I remember there was this campaign by Magnum, which was perceived to be a bit obscene.
Oh, okay.
It was.
सही है. Now
that was in cheap
billboards लगे हुए हैं, ads आ रहे हैं, kids are watching. You have zero control over the viewership of it
बिल्कुल.
in this country, in this city, and all of that.
बिल्कुल.
I agree with it. Fine, take it down.
Yeah.
Okay, it is offensive to some people.
Yeah.
Now over here, this is being done in another country.
Yeah.
The viewership of FHM is pretty much non-existent in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Before
मैं तो नाम भी नहीं सुना था
नाम भी
यार.
नहीं सुना था लोगों ने. सही है. I don't think वो magazine यहाँ पे बिकता भी है. Nobody's going to actually see it. Okay. जितना उसको लाइमलाइट में हम लेकर आए हैं और हर बंदे को हमने दिखाया है एंड वी ब्रॉट इट कि भाई ये हो रहा है. क्यों? अगर एक चीज आपको बॉदर नहीं करती, आपके सामने नहीं, आउट ऑफ साइड आउट ऑफ माइंड वाली कहानी है. सही है. आप you getting into it and saying no, I'm going to make this my problem. This is not your problem. Why? I mean, like, don't you have enough to worry about?
I agree. I mean, but
why get into these things? एक चीज आपके सामने आपको बॉदर कर रही है, आपको actually, you know, that's the example I gave, the walls वाली. Fine, okay. नहीं कर रही, क्यों पीछे पड़े उसके?
सही कह रहे हो.
Live and let live. She's done something good for her, bad for her. You know, in this life, let her deal with the consequences. In the afterlife, she'll deal with the consequences. Don't look at it. No, don't be bothered by it. Don't click on that link.
If you click on the link, on that link, you become a witness. खुदा जब पूछता है ना कि तुमने क्या गुनाह किया और आप कहेंगे नथिंग, तो आपके जितने विटनेसेस आप क्रिएट करें ना, वो कहेंगे जी इसने किया है, इसने किया है, इसने किया है, इसने किया है. So yeah,
it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so
don't do it. Don't, like, you know, if it doesn't bother you, don't go after it and say, oh, let me watch you. so anyways.
But we will all stand up for Veena Malik.
I think she's done nothing wrong. Personally, for herself, she's done nothing wrong.
For herself, she's done nothing wrong.
Yeah.
I agree with that. I don't know what these girls have to say.
I personally feel she's just done it for attention. Otherwise, if you look at it, it's not that big of a deal.
Same here.
That's our conclusion.
All right.
All right.
See you next time.